one and all. I am Varsha Purohit, working under the supervision of Professor R.N.P. Chaudhary. Today I am presenting on fabrication and electrical characterization of lead-free bismuth magnesium ferric titanate ceramic. Because of the harmful effect of the lead on the environment, bismuth-based materials are the best replacement of the lead-based material, as they possess same lone pair electronic configuration. In consideration of significance of lead-free compounds, we have methodically carried out the structural and electrical properties of the compound. The BMTF compound is prepared by solid-state reaction method, and the calcination and the sintering temperature are 900 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius respectively. This is the room temperature XRD of the BMTF compound, which has been recorded in the range of Bragg angle range of 20 degree to 80 degree. The structural analysis has been done using the software powered mode. The rhombohedral structure has been selected, and these are the unit cell parameter and volume. This is the SCM image of the surface of the sample. The average grain size is 1.5 micrometer. The microstructure has densely packed configuration with less porosity. As shown in the figure, as shown in the dielectric study figure, the dielectric constant is very high in low frequency region and gradually decreases with increasing frequency, which can be explained by Maxwell-Wagner and Coop's phenomenological model. The other picture in dielectric study shows the variation of tan delta with respect to frequency and temperature. It increases rapidly at high temperature due to thermally activated charge carrier movement, leading to enhancement of conductivity in the material. However, a low value of tan delta and high value of dielectric constant made the sample useful for the high temperature devices. This figure exhibits the polarization electric field hysteresis loop of the old BMTF system. The nature of the pool indicates the ferroelectric behavior of the sample. The impedance spectroscopy studies is the useful technique to reveal the contribution of ionic and other defects in the material, and the relationship between the microstructure and electrical response exists in the material. To study the resistive characteristics, we have plotted the real part of the impedance Z prime with respect to frequency at different temperature. The value of Z prime decreases with increasing frequency, increasing temperature, showing the NTCR, negative temperature coefficient of resistance behavior. To study the relaxation property, we have plotted the Z prime versus frequency for the sample at a particular frequency peak occurs, and this is called the relaxation frequency, such as omega max tau is equal to 1. Tau is the relaxation time. F max shifts towards higher frequency side on increasing temperature, which is mainly due to the reduction of bulk resistance along with the temperature. Merging of curve at higher frequency side is due to the release of space charge polarization, and the presence of defect should be responsible for the relaxation phenomenon. This is the Nyquist plot study of the material. Here a single semicircular arc has been observed below 200 degrees Celsius, indicating the grain contribution. Above 200 degrees Celsius, both grain and grain boundary contribution exists in the material. In this case, the plot shows the deviation from the perfect semicircular arc, indicating the non-Debye type behavior. Next to the conductivity study, the frequency and temperature dependence of AC conductivity has been shown in this figure, and the total conductivity of the compound can be explained by the Johnson power law, sigma total equal to sigma DC plus sigma AC. Sigma DC is the DC conductivity frequency independent part, and the sigma AC is the frequency dependent part, AC conductivity part. A equal to temperature dependent proportionality constant, N equal to frequency exponent, which have the value between 0 and 1. If N less than 1, then it indicates the hopping motion is translational. If N greater than 1, then the hopping motion is localized. The well fit of experimental data with the Johnson power law shows the shows it obeys the Johnson-Power law. The temperature variation of SC conductivity at selected temperature is shown in the figure. The sigma SC increases with increase in temperature, showing anti-shear behavior. The activation energy is evaluated from the Arrhenius equation and given in the graph for different frequency. Next, the leakage current characterization has been studied for the sample. From the figure, it has been observed the compound exhibits the low leakage current value. These are the conclusion of my investigation. The XRD study shows the rhombohedral structure. The morphological analysis confirms the grain having various shapes distributed uniformly all over the surface. As a result of low loss, Q quality factor of specimen is very high. The frequency dependence of AC conductivity obeys the Johnson-Power law. Due to low leakage current, the sample can be used for high temperature application.